Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and place battery in EZVIZ camera. To do this, we'll need to click and open back of the camera. Then inside you should be able to see the battery because it's placed in mine, and to remove it, then we just need to pull this lever right here and then slide the battery out. There's a sticker in the way, so you can pull it even more. And here's battery out, and to place it back in you need to align it with the connectors right here, so it should go like that. Make sure that it locks with this lever, and then you can close the hatch, and the battery is replaced. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.